foodies, welcome back to my channel. Myself Priyanka and you are watching Garden of Yam. So today we will see how to make juicy chicken momos with momo chutney. So let's quickly see the recipe. So here I have taken 400 grams of minced chicken. I have not grinded it. I have just cut it with knife very finely. To that I am adding 2 largely sized chopped onions, 20 grams spring onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of refined oil and 2 tablespoons of butter, room temperature butter. Now I am giving 50 ml of chicken stock for that juicy taste. Now if you don't have chicken stock in your home available, you can just make without it, but it will make the momos juicy. Now mix it and then cover and rest for 10 minutes. Now meanwhile I will make the dough for the momo. Now I have taken 1.5 cup or 250 grams of all-purpose flour. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of refined oil and required amount of water to make a soft dough. Now after the dough is ready, add 1 tablespoon of refined oil and knead for 2 to 3 minutes and then rest it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, take out the dough and knead for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then make small balls out of it. The momo balls should not be too large, then it will become doughy. Now sprinkle some flour on the top. Now roll it very gently and make it thin. Make sure the sides should be very thin. Do as I am doing in the video. Now you can see how much thin it is. Now add a generous amount of stuffing, about 1 tablespoon. Now give it a dumpling shape. Now here I have shown you 3 types of easy shapes. Whichever you find it easy to make, you give that shape. Now those who have steamer in your house, it's pretty good, but I am showing for the one who doesn't have steamer in their house. Now take this type of pot and let the water boil. Now you all have this type of strainer at your kitchen. Now spread some refined oil over it so that the momo doesn't get sticked. And then after the water starts to boil, place the strainer over the pot and then add the momos over it. Then cover and steam in high flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the momos are ready. Now we will make the momo chutney. For that, in a bowl of water, add 3 largely sized tomato, 1 inch ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 5 dried red chilies. Now cover and let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let it cool. After it cools, peel off the tomato. Now add them into the mixer grinder jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. After it heats, add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Cook the onion till golden brown, then add the tomato paste. Now cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now mix and cook for another 5 minutes till the color changes. Now after 5 minutes, turn off the flame and take it out. Your momo sauce is ready. Now serve it hot and enjoy every bite.